AI used to only read. Now can see your photos, hear your voice, and watch your videos, all at once. This is called multimodal AI. Multi, meaning many, modal, meaning type of input. So instead of just processing text, a multimodal model can handle text, images, audio, and video all in the same conversation. Here's a real example. You open your fridge, take a photo, and ask the AI, what can I cook with this? The AI looks at the image, reads your question, and gives you a recipe. No typing out every ingredient, no Googling, just show it. Or you speak to it, and it responds with voice. That's multimodal. This is a huge leap from text-only models because humans don't just process words. We see, hear, touch, and read all at the same time. Multimodal AI gets a little closer to that. And in 2026, the biggest models, GPT-4o, Claude, and Gemini, are all multimodal. It's no longer a premium feature, it's the new baseline. Once AI can see and hear, the use cases explode. Visual analysis, voice assistance, video understanding, we're just getting started. Follow for the next video and drop your questions in the comments. This is Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great day.